Hello everyone. So today we will see what is ESP8266 and how to program ESP8266. So like an Arduino, ESP8266 is also a small computer chip that we can program, and we can write the logic, and we can interact with sensors, actuators. Okay, so you may ask, we already had Arduino. We already made many projects with Arduino. So why we need this new chip? So as we know, Arduino don't have the capability to connect with internet or any other devices on itself wireless. So here ESP8266 comes because ESP8266 also have the Wi-Fi chip. So using the ESP8266, you can connect to Wi-Fi, or from Wi-Fi we can connect to the internet. Now let's quickly see how to program it. Okay, so let me just connect the ESP8266 board, just like how we connect to the Arduino board using the USB cable. One port is to the ESP8266 board, and another port is to the Arduino. Another port is to the ESP8266 board itself. Okay, so I connected it, and let me just quickly jump onto the Arduino IDE. So I opened the Arduino IDE. Uh, so as you can see, there is an empty sketch. So we can't find here right now the ESP8266 general module. If I click generic, so there is no ESP8266 board. I can't find it. Okay. In board manager also, if I search generic, there is nothing. If I search something else, also ESP8266, let me try ESP8266. There is nothing. So how to program a question block? So there, because ESP8266 doesn't belong to the Arduino, it is a separate entity. We need to just go to preference, and in the preference here, additional board URLs, you need to paste the URL for the ESP8266 board. So how to get that URL? So it is pretty simple. You can just simply search here Arduino .esp8266. If I search this much only, then also I will get this first notice. Sorry, my bad. So this one, and here I get that URL. Okay, so this is the URL, and here also given the instruction to, I will show you. And of course, you are gonna get this URL and everything in your course material also. So there is no need to worry here. You can just simply click copy link from here, and we already opened up the references, right? Let me show it again from where to where we need to go. Here files, preferences, additional board. Just now we copied the link, just paste it, press OK. That's it. Now, if I go to board manager and if I type generic, here it came. ESP8266 by ESP8266 community. I just need to press install. It is installing, so it might take some time. So yeah, that's great. So what I will do, I will pause the video for a while. After once it is installed, I will like listen. Okay. Okay. That board is installed. That is ESP8266 board is installed. Now, as usual, that go here and select the form. So I can select the form. Fine. Then it is the port where my device is connected. Okay. Let me search generic. And now you can see the generic ESP8266 module here. So I press OK. Now I am connected. So let me just try to first upload the blank sketch. Okay. So I press upload. It is compiling. So it might take some time for this is for the new board. Okay. So now it is upload as you can see. Okay, great. Uploadation is done. That means our software, our system can write the code to ESP8266 board. Okay, now let's write some meaningful logic. Okay, so I will just go to files, examples, basics, blink, as we did for Arduino also. So already everything is selected. So just it will what it will do, it will blink the built-in LED. Just like Arduino ID, Arduino Uno, ESP8266 also have built-in LED that is on the GPIO 2. So in Arduino, the built-in LED was at D30, but it is on GPIO 2. So right now, if you are getting a bit confused with what is GPIO and everything, so full form of GPIO is generic input output physics. Okay, and if you want to find out the relationship between the digital pins in ESP8266 and GPIOs, you can just search pin diagram of ESP8266. You will get plenty of clear diagrams. You can refer any of them. So let's search for GPIO2. So here you can see there are the relationship between the digital pins, digital notation, and GPIO. So here is our GPIO2. That is at D4. Okay. So now let's quickly upload our sketch. So it was the sketch, let's compile it and upload it. So it is compiling. Now it is uploading. Once it is uploaded, you can find on the board ESP8266 board. The built-in LED is blinking every second. So I hope you understood how to program an ESP8266 board and how to use the board manager. So additional board manager and what is the GPIO and how to map GPIO with digital pins on ESP8266. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.